Niggas be talking like this shit easy or something, you heard me?
They do.
Nah, nigga, I make this shit look easy, you heard me?
See, sometimes people think they can be you better than you can be you. Every time they tell you, I'ma beat you the fuck back up, nigga. Took a lot of losses, had to bounce back. She got ass loving when it bounced back. Came back strong, had to bounce back. Applying pressure, watch a nigga bounce back. Pushing, I ball in his face and he think that I'm pushing. Like, what we gon' talk about? Ain't shit to talk about. I pull the calls on these niggas, I call them out. Pushing, yeah. Pushing, I'm in his face and he think that I'm pushing. Major mistake if you think that I'm pushing, yeah. Pushing, pushing, I'm in his face and he think that I'm pushing. Major mistake if you think that I'm pussy, yeah. 2 on the ditch, I'm still in the kitchen, I'm cooking the 4 and a half. Pirates the Yola, I add a little soda and bubble, I double the 500 grams. My drunk got tested, how may I help you? I blessed him, I guess he just needed a blast. Not a good looker, but she a good hooker, and I'm about to turn me some trash into cash. Water just gush out her mouth in the pussy, she needs some more cushion when bought her some ass. Secret compartment, Toyota Corolla, I'm hoping the load don't get caught on the slab. Nothing impossible, I had a few obstacles, right back to clocking like I never left. My windows is tinted, my mouth and my watch go to hitting while gripping the wheel in my bed. I'm in 2 lanes, whip is insane, I had to take off the brain. I got some change, travel 2 names. On the Blackberry doing my thing. I been pushing them things. Pushing, 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 pushing.